Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials Point. Today I'm going to show you how to add music to Instagram story. So before starting, if you haven't updated your app, please update the app first. Now let's get started. First, open the Instagram app. So after opening the Instagram app, you need to go to your story. The story is on the top left corner. Tap on your story. After tapping on it, you just need to select a photo. So I have selected a photo of Ronaldo. Now you can see there are many options on the top bar. So go to the sticker icon on the top of your phone, search for music, tap on music. Now there are various options here, so whichever you want to add, you can add to the story. If the story that you don't want to add is here, suppose the music is not here, just tap on search music and search any of music that you want to select. So I've selected perfect, so here it is. So I've selected the music. Done. Now tap on your story on the bottom of your phone. So here it is. So you have successfully added music to your Instagram story. You can just see here. Just kids when we fell in love. So if you find this video useful, please share and like the video, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.